whose smile and whose true dedication to the Boston Bruins and the hockey community in the Maritimes will never be forgotten. Please turn your attention to the Silver Vision screen as members of the Bruins organization pay tribute to Donnie Matheson.
Donnie was a real enthusiastic character. He's a guy that when he felt strongly about a player, you heard about it, and as a manager, that's what you want to hear. When someone is really enthusiastic about a player, they have strong feelings. Donnie exuded that. I know he lived life to the fullest, and we just wanted to pay tribute to him because it's an organizational thing to win the Stanley Cup, and we felt that he played a large part of it along the way.
Was really Bruin through and through. Would have dearly loved to have shared in our Stanley Cup victory this past year, and I know that he's smiling down from above. Donnie was a diehard Bruins fan, but an employee as well. Was a tremendous scout in the eastern parts of the country for us in particular. I'm sure that he's smiling brightly with Brad Marchand playing such a pivotal role, and Andy Bondarchuk being part of our organization as well.